Mask here. Wait. Oh, I can't move. Okay. Hey, guys. Mask here. And Beastie. I just hit him. And we're in... Ow. If you didn't read the title already, you should know what we're doing. Oh, my vision. I'll just do that. I shut up. Okay. We are
fighting Cartoon Cat and Siren Head and Whitehead and Cartoon Dog. We fighted in force, and that's why our base looks like this.
I don't know if you heard him, but he said we're fighting. We're gonna be fighting Cartoon Cat. Well, you guys know what we're doing. You guys read the intro, but it's not. We're fighting Trevor Henderson monsters. Okay? Yeah. Now let me fix my vision real fast. Okay, guys, vision's back to normal. All right, so.
Can we go inside our base?
Well, you guys are probably wondering what happened to the world. Kind of got destroyed because
I told you guys, we was like fighting the Trevor Henderson monsters already.
Yeah, we was already fighting them.
We were just testing it out.
Go in. Yeah.
We were just testing it out to see where we were.
Yeah, we tested it out. This is our base.
Got everything.
Get this food.
I'm in survival. I'm gonna make some bread for us. I'm gonna make some bread because you didn't get the bread yet.
So, guys, you guys think? Oh, don't mind those weird. Okay.
Yeah, I need a crafting table to make bread.
Okay. Oh, we don't even have any wood. Why is it? Oh, that's the jukebox. Let me turn this down so I know you guys can hear us. Baba Booey. Okay.
Can you hear us now?
I think they can hear us. They're good.
Say in the chat, can you hear us? Okay, guys?
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is one of the mods, you know. Pretty cool, pretty epic.
Yeah, we don't have a soldier mod. Where's the cars at?
Oh, yeah, where's the cars? We have to fix the road. So, guys, we'll be right back to you until we, like, fix some things. We're not fixing everything, but...
I just fell there. Can you tell me back up?
I am, alright.
No,
Well,
don't tell me out.
well, this is going to be pretty fast for you, but probably going to take us a little bit. So...
No blocks dropped down?
See you guys when we get back. Okay, guys. I'm back. And,
Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah, sword.
There's swords in the chest, I think.
There's no swords in just what you're talking about.
Get the bow and arrows. Well, no, Ayden. We had... Oh. Never mind. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, guys. I'm back. You won't believe what I just went through. Oh. Ow! You won't believe what I just went through. Don't hit me again. I'm gonna die. Ayden, stop for real. I'm gonna drop all my stuff.
Okay, go on the chest and put a sword in there.
I didn't drop. I thought I was gonna drop my stuff.
I'm just testing you. I think all your stuff is in a book bag. Yeah, here you go.
Okay, I thought I was. Now.
I'm hungry.
Okay, and get it. Make sure you got all your stuff.
I got all
All good. Get me protected.
I'm eating.
Okay, I'm getting my food. Alright, guys.
What you doing?
Nothing. Alright, now let's go. Alright, let's go to the back.
Yeah.
We're gonna go out and explore, okay?
I'm still hungry.
Huh?
I'm still hungry. I need to be at full health.
I got my helmet on. I'm ready for this. You ready? You like my helmet? What are you doing? Getting food?
Our food is messed up. What the heck is... Why are there two of those?
I don't know.
Our food is messed up. Okay, come on, let's go.
Wait. I have random stuff in my inventory. I'm just gonna put that away.
No, put that in the top chest. Not the bottom chest. Wait, I forgot to get a shield. I need some shield.
Oh yeah, dirt. Oh yeah, I need to get
You got shield
this.
there. You get a shield. You got a shield.
This. Okay, let's go. Going out to explore the world.
You have to crouch
Hey, yeah, you don't gotta teach him how to play Minecraft now. Oh, wait. We have a car. I have a car for us. Wait, no, it is wrong. Here, car. Come on. What for you? One for me?
There's only one seater.
That's why I put two down.
What the? Say you could.
Wait, what? Oh, you can put. Oh, they have storage. Wait, what? Oh.
There's a bow and arrow on here.
I didn't put my bow and arrow in there. You never know what's gonna happen. Why would you go right in the hole? Oh my.
I can't see nothing.
Wait, how'd you get out?
No. My car is good.
But get out first person if you want to have a better view.
What happened? I'm in the backseat now. What the heck?
Come on. Beastie, aka Beastie. I'm sorry for calling you. You're not real name. That's not your real name. Beastie is your real name, obviously. My real name is Mass13, obviously.
That's where we was born. Our name was Mass13. Their name was Mass13 when the Zaya was born.
Who the heck is Zaya?
Wait,
We can kill our car.
Why can't I stop forgetting it?
Okay, Aiden. No, we're gonna stay right here. Get out your car. We're gonna park our cars here, okay?
I'm gonna park my car right. I'm not gonna park it that far. Cause when like a Trevor Henderson monster comes, sometimes the Trevor, if you park your car far, the Trevor Henderson monster will kill you fast.
Oh.
So I'm gonna like park it like. Let me show you how I'm gonna park it. Like this. Look, I can go on the road.
I was looking away. All right, come on, hurry! We're doing all day. Come on.
I'm getting it. Wait, let me get my bow and arrow, okay?
What'd you put it in the car? What is wrong with you? Huh? Ah! Ate it!
He's one shot.
He went. Where'd he go? You're eating your armor!
What the? He broke my armor.
We gotta get our cars back.
I look beautiful.
Oh, don't worry. We actually have 1,000,000 cars. We're good.
Yeah, I look beautiful while I'm on. But give me some armor. Do you have any more armor?
No.
Do.
Where? Oh, we went out this way. All right, we're hunting down Cartoon Cat. I see Cartoon Cat. Someone's calling me. I'm just gonna ignore that. Call that number for free Robux. Okay.
Yeah, where?
I'm shooting Cartoon Cat.
I don't see you. What else is there? You went over here?
Oh, he's chasing me.
Go to the base.
I'm going back.
I see you.
It'll drive back. He's not chasing me no more.
You don't like to go to our base because it's too much light. He sees me.
Is he chasing you?
Run into him! What
He
the?
almost killed you. Wait! Oh, I did not mean to do that. They're both here.
They run to the base. Run.
Wait, who's this? He's so fast!
Cartoon dog?
Yes.
There are miniguns. Go make them
Ow!
front our minigun. They didn't get us. They're not gonna get us in the base. You die.
Yeah.
Hey, bring some food over there now. You need to bring some food. I'm like only 6 weeks. That's all you need. That's all I need.
Go to the back. Oh no, I'm just gonna run to my car. I see it.
I see. Wait, only you to see your car?
There's 2 cars here.
Oh, so I'm going to my car. You going? Oh, he's coming there.
I'm shooting him. Don't get too close. Distract him so I can get my car. Oh! I'm running. Woo! What?
I need to drive to my car.
How are you gonna drive to your car without a car?
Yeah, I think I see my other car.
Oh!
Wait, there's 2 Cartoon Cats.
What'd I spawn out here?
Yeah, why do you spawn? Wait,
It's Cartoon Cat and Cartoon Dog. Aiden, I see you getting chased. Run for your life.
Is he behind me?
Yes, he's behind. Ooh! He's coming for me.
Can you get my car? Can you run for my car? Don't use your car for music, because then you're gonna lose your car.
Cartoon Dog is stuck. Yeah, he's in a hole. So we're good. All right, put your car in the
Why
back.
is this guy looking at me?
This machine gun. Don't hurt the machine.
I didn't even hurt him.
Or then just don't go to the machine guns then.
Then why did I spawn up down here?
I don't know. Wait, how did he get out the hole?
I don't know. I'm at the hole.
Apparently he's slow. Come on. No!
Dad,
He looked like a mouse.
who?
Cartoon Dog.
What?
Oh!
He is a mouse. Dad, I see you got in their car.
I died.
Why is that 2 cartoon? Wait, who's that?
Uh-oh.
Cartoon Dog killed you.
Whee! What? I went the wrong way.
Doggy. No, Cartoon Cat's after me now. No.
I have golden apples.
I'm going to the base.
I see you.
Is it behind me, sir?
No.
Can I follow? Let's bring them to the base.
Let's bring him. So become. Oh, what? You scared me. Aiden, go. Aiden, go. Open the door. Ooh, I died. You made it. No, he's still out here. He's about to kill me again.
I actually broke my bed.
Oh, I made it in.
Why did I break your bed?
Where? Oh, you broke the bed. He's looking at us through the thing. Ah, he hit me. I'm up here. Kinda.
He's coming. He's trying to move you.
Is he saying stuff? I can't really hear him.
There, he's under the building. Why do you push up one of our miniguns?
I'll push it off?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
Cartoon Cat don't like light because he's not in the light.
And look, I jumped across so you can't hit me. You're distracting him. Why'd you jump, Aiden? He's gonna get up here. He'll try to kill me. He's trying to look at this. Let's get a close look at him.
They kill him.
This is a weird design for Cartoon Cat.
Hmm? You move, I'm not shooting.
Just shoot him.
He just looked at me. Like, what are you doing over there?
Is he just immortal?
He's taking damage, bro. Why is he not dying? Look, wait, what? Let's go through him now.
Oh!
How did he blow up?
I put a mine down and it destroyed us.
Oh, Cartoon Cat's trying to escape. He escaped there.
You escaped the hole?
Yes. You made him escape, Zaya.
Where's Cartoon Dog at?
He's still over there. I didn't make him come over here. Somebody need to get those arrows. Why is he looking at me? Don't put me on.
I won't. Ow! Bro.
Gay, boy, there. That's gay. Stop it! You don't put me off.
I didn't push you off. You walked.
No,
Why?
you pushed me.
I pushed you, then you walked off.
Oh, you gone.
How's he not distracted by you? I fell! He's not chasing me.
There. Look where that. You see the arrow? He's coming for you now.
What if he finds a way up here?
There.
He's getting up.
There. If he goes over here, I think there's an entrance right here.
And why'd you walk over there? He's chasing you.
What?
He
He came out of nowhere.
He's just looking at you. I'm slapping him. I'm slapping him with my bare fist. Come here. Wait, he went in the ground. Oh! He killed you?
Nope.
No! Aiden. Oh! He's chasing me.
No, I'm using my crossbow to distract him.
He's trapped in a hole. Haha. Oh, he's not. I'm trying to get inside.
I almost hit him.
Is he still chasing me? Go. Oh my god. He almost got inside. Good thing it doesn't know how to open doors.
You see me outside shooting arrows? I'm outside. He's only distracted at his shoes. Stay right there.
He fell off?
No. You see him?
He's staring at me.
You see him? He just get what? Look on.
Haha, you can't get up here. Haha.
There, look on.
Oh my god.
There, I'm blocking the.
Oh, he got inside. He got inside, Aiden.
I see him. We need to find what. Wait, can he kill him? There, we need to break the pressure plates.
No, don't break it. That's how he can get outside again. Aiden, run outside. You died?
Yo, we need to spawn at the top so we can like drop TNT. There. Let's go make another base, okay? I see one of your cars. I hear him talking. There, why are there 3 cars next to Cartoon Dog?
Because he killed us so many times over there.
We need to get Cartoon there. Why we don't get Cartoon Dog in our base?
Why would you do that?
No, that's like our base is where I have our stuff in by Isaiah. What if we could trap them? What if we could do that, Isaiah? And not just stay there. I'm staying with Cartoon Dog. I don't care. I'm not there.
I'm trying to get him out of here. Haha, you can't get up. You can't. You don't know how to get upstairs, you idiot. Cartoon Cat, you remind me of Bendy, you idiot. Can't get up here. Uh-huh. Wait, what? How'd you get up here? You died? Why is it not telling me? Is it telling me?
Oh.
Oh, Ayden, you got in front of me.
I see him. We need to break one of the holes in the gate. You know that? Like our gate to our base. We need to break that.
Oh!
I might have attracted to me.
I'm back up there.
Come on, Cartoon Cat. Come on, Cartoon Cat.
Oh, no! Oh, I couldn't move. Ayden. Oh, my God. I have an idea. Ow! Come on. No! I think he went back out. No, he's still in here. Chase me. Oh, he killed me. Cartoon Cat is too fast.
He almost got up. This guy is dead.
Come on, come back out. Come on.
This guy needs to be dead. You got him out?
He killed me.
No, he's about to kill me. Get out of the way.
You're distracting him.
Cartoon Cat.
He says you're his favorite. I don't know what he's saying.
Cartoon Cat.
Oh!
He killed me.
You're the perfect What?
I'm ready.
Here, take this Ender Pearl. I try to get up. Ayden! Oh my God, Ayden! What? Ayden! Wow, Ayden.
I went so far. Blair, can you hand me another iron core? Kind of like the door, like this door over here. Look on my screen. Look on my screen, Blair.
I'm breaking our base. Woo!
You got in a hole. He's outside there.
Yeah, I broke the base.
Why do you need to break it?
So you can get out.
You fixed it?
No, I can't fix it now.
I can't. Why is he not taking no damage?
Ayden! Oh, he's distracted by me.
I can hit him by behind. Stay up there.
Don't get too close. I might shoot you.
You shooting him?
Yeah.
I'm shooting him in the head.
No, you're gonna shoot me, Ayden. Be careful.
His head is the most easiest part to hit.
No, it doesn't. You can't hit him. Ayden, why you push him? Almost hit you. I can't hit him now. Why would you? Oh no, I can hit him. Kinda.
I'm gonna make an exit for him. Leia, can you put drop? Leia, I'm gonna exit. Leia.
I died. No, Ayden, run! Ayden.
Please don't tell me he's going at the exit.
I ain't scared of you. Come on. Don't come. I'm just kidding, man. Hey, Cartoon Dog, how you doing? Go to the car!
Whoa. Cartoon that kid just killed.
If I can't kill him, I know who can.
Both of them? Who's gonna kill them? Firehead? Whoa. Yeah, I'm doing parkour right now. Over Cartoon Cat. You don't see me. You see me? Wait, you're in creative?
Mm-hmm.
When you get off of creative, can you tell me when you're off of creative, okay? No.
I'm off creative. Ayden, come here. We gotta go somewhere. We gotta run away from these guys. Here's the plan. We gotta run towards the car. You get one, I get one. Do we go as far as we can, okay?
Cartoon Cat stuck.
Oh, it's fine. Perfect. Let's go. Come on, hurry.
My cartoon dog is going. Can I get the first car you get?
Yeah, go ahead. Get that one. Don't go in front of me. I'm about to shoot him.
I'm running into him. No, I don't.
No. Ayden, no, you didn't bring him to me. Oh my God. I'm in the car. All right, follow me. Oh my God. Why would you go towards him?
I couldn't.
You couldn't. Oh. I'm bringing him away from the car.
Just bring him. You bring him close to the car. That's the car I'm coming for.
I know. I'm bringing him far. Come on. You stop chasing me. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
I'm in the car.
Don't go near him. Go around him. You almost shot me. Ayden, or just follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Oh! I didn't know the mines were there.
I got all your arrows. I think all my arrows disappeared.
Oh! I'm coming back.
Then I'm driving.
And there's like no cars.
Did you forget you on the video?
I didn't forget.
Then we have to make another base. So
Ayden, follow me. Follow me. Get back.
I brought one of the miniguns.
Get in this car. So you can get in the car. The other one. The one next to me. Or follow me. Come on. Right here. Alright, stay right here. Stay right here. Park right here. I'm not going to no creative no more. No, this is the last time. I'm not going to creative no more. Are you ready to use my last time? You ready? No. No.
What are you gonna do?
Stay right there. Woo! Go! 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 Woo!
I just went straight past him. You know he's distracted at you. I'm leaving. What's
You
it?
can see my legs. He's chasing me still. Oh, I turned it all the way down. This guy's too loud, bro.
Can you make it morning?
No, I'm not making it morning.
Cartoon Cat.
Cartoon Cat not at the house anymore?
He's at the house. He was out the whole and then he went back in. Then, can you take more creative? Because I went in creative 2 times.
No, I'm not.
Not the last time.
I'm not going to creative no more. I'm trying to get back to the house. Okay, guys. So I lost Siren Head, but currently I'm being chased by Lighthead. His long lost cousin. Why did he come, you guys? I don't know. He probably got mad at me for beating up Siren Head for no reason. Wait, he can't get hurt? Wait, what? No, Lighthead. He was not getting hurt for a second. That's weird.
What happened to me too?
Okay, so we're gonna go back home while Lighthead is chasing me. I haven't been in the house for a while. See how it looks like. Okay, alright.
At nighttime, Lighthead could blind you. It's not nighttime, so he can't blind you.
Alright, be quiet.
Yeah, he can pick the light. He can put his lights in the eye. So I had to make you hurt. Use your hurt. Both of them do different things. House head, just eat you.
Wait, what? What you said?
House head just eat you.
House what?
House head.
House head is a thing? Heard that before. You stuck, haha. Yeah, you can't get up now. He's breaking the dirt a little bit.
Who?
Whitehead. Who else? Oh, what the? I fell. In. I died.
You can see me in the base.
I said, Christian Cat just looking at you.
I see you. Couldn't get looking at me either.
Attack on sirens.
You attacking Siren Head? Hands there?
Y'all both naked, man. Gotta get away from each other, y'all. Y'all some weirdos. Siren Head and Lighthead. Look at them, they're best of friends. They're both just looking at me.
Oh, not real.
What?
Yep.
What'd you say?
The food be here in 14 minutes.
That's good. Alright, guys. I think I might end the video now. Cartoon Cat. I'm in the video with Cartoon Cat looking at me. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Say bye, Cartoon Cat. Don't look away from the camera. Say bye. Yeah, he said bye. He looked at me. Yeah, bro, what are you doing? Why would you hurt? Who hurt Cartoon Cat?
That was me.
Stop the gun. The gun's working finally?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Oh, the gun's looking at me. He's trying to kill me. Cartoon Cat's just standing in front of me,
When you hit
protecting.
the guns on the come for you. Did you hit it?
No. Oh, oh!
You hit me.
Bye bye, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.
I died.
See you guys.
What are you shooting there?
The next one. Okay, see ya.